Padmaja, I'm tired of listening to this false narrative that ED, CBI को बीजेपी हथियार बनाकर ऑपोजिशन पर धावा बोल रही है. I just want to remind people, very simplistically putting, if you can't keep your flock together, then don't blame the BJP. Tushar read out, a dialogue from an old Hindi movie, and I will just take 20 seconds to say something. वो जो कहावत है, आग लगी थी मेरे घर में, सब जानने वाले आए, हाल पूछा और चले गए. एक सच्चे दोस्त ने पूछा, क्या क्या बचा है? मैंने कहा, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ मैं बच गया. उसने गले लगाकर कहा, तो फिर जला ही क्या है? बट यहां तो शरद पवार के खुद के दो महारथी दोस्त, his closest confidants, Chhagan Bhujbal, the biggest OBC face of the erstwhile Sharad Pawar faction, and Praful Patel, who was made the working president less than a fortnight back. दोनों ने शरद पवार का हाथ छोड़ दिया. And the king of Baramati, or called the wily fox in vernacular Maharashtra media, today has been shown the mirror. His position has been whittled down. He's putting up a brave face at that rally, at that memorial on the occasion of Guru Purnima at Satara, at Karad. But the fact of the matter is, I always say, राजनीति में आपके पास आंकड़े होना बहुत जरूरी है, and numbers are next only to ideology. The first thing is ideology.
Okay.
And people who are sitting here in Padmaja, just give me 20 seconds, I heard everybody. I'm taking a look at some of the latest numbers that I have. 15 MLAs is what Uddhav Sena has, 13 is what NCP has, 45 is what the Congress has, and there are 13 others who have given support to this faction, which means totally they have 86. Now in contrast, Devendra Fadnavis led BJP has 105. Sharad Pawar is a broken man, but the Ajit Pawar faction, which has joined us, has 40. There are 40 in the Eknath Shinde, bona fide Sena, and we have the support of 17 independents. The total comes to 202. कहां पर 86 और कहां पर 202? यहां तो कंपटीशन है ही नहीं. शरद पवार की नाक के नीचे there was a rebellion which was brewing, but जो कहते हैं ना, कुछ लोग पुत्र मोह में सही डिसीजन नहीं ले पाए. We are all aware of Sonia Gandhi's love not lost for Rahul Gandhi. यहाँ पुत्री मोह ने सब कुछ तबाह कर दिया.